Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanity here with another video for you guys. Today's video I'm doing a very natural eyebrow look for you guys, just showing you how I do my eyebrows when I want them to look more on the natural side. So if you guys want to see how I do them eyebrows, then continue to watch. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you all. Bye.
So I start off by brushing my brows. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my pencil and just line out my brows first. And today I'm going for a very natural look, a natural daytime look. So it won't be anything crazy. So I'm just literally lining the shape of my natural brows. I'm not going to overline them, underline them, nothing like that. I'm just following my natural brow shape for this tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and fill them in.
Hey guys, so please check the description box to see exactly which pencil and what color that I use and what concealer I use to clean up my brows. And also now you just see me, I'm just lining my brows and I'm going to fill them in with the pencil. Very natural. This time in this tutorial I did not clean up the top part of my brows. I will do an updated eyebrow tutorial where when I'm doing like a more of a glam makeup look for you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Also, while we're here, I want to let you guys know that I'm having a giveaway very soon, and I'm just letting you guys know again. So just subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below for me. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on to receive my notifications when I post a video so you don't miss out when I post about the giveaway.
How my brows look after I finish doing them. If you guys can see, it's very natural, very easy. So the thing is, I'm not going to clean up the top part of my brows. I'm just going to use my foundation when I do it because this is a very natural. I don't want nothing really bright on my face for the day. It's a day makeup look. So I'm just going to clean up the bottom of my lashes just a little bit and go in with that concealer on top of my eyelid.